Having trouble activating your Mint Mobile eSIM with the QR code? You're not alone. Many users face issues scanning the code with their camera or receiving it via email. First, ensure your phone's camera has permission to access the camera in your phone's settings. Here's how camera permissions look in settings. Clean your camera lens and try scanning in good lighting. If it still fails, try updating to the newest OS or using a different device. Also, make sure your device is eSIM compatible. Most modern smartphones are, but older models may lack support. Here's the step-by-step process for adding an eSIM. As for email delivery, check your spam or junk folders and ensure mintmobile.com is whitelisted to prevent filtering. Check your spam folder like this. You can also try using a different email or incognito mode to check email. Mint Mobile's app offers real-time diagnostics for camera permissions and compatibility, which can suggest fixes like toggling airplane mode or restarting the device. For example, toggling airplane mode can help. If camera scanning and email retrieval fail, manually enter the eSIM details. You'll need the SMDP Plus address and activation code, usually found in your Mint Mobile account or confirmation email. Enter this information precisely in your phone's settings under Mobile Network or Cellular Plan. Ensure your device is unlocked and connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If manual entry doesn't work, contact Mint Mobile support for a replacement eSIM profile and use their AI-driven 24/7 chat support for quick issue resolution. As of September 2025, Mint Mobile's eSIM activation success rate is around 85 to 90% for new users, with most cases resolved within 24 hours. Also be aware, QR codes can be one-time use. Using a new one might be necessary. If problems persist, force closing the Mint Mobile app might help, but ensure that you have followed all the steps.